You might wonder, why does pickle juice have such a profound effect on your digestive system? Or, to put it more bluntly, why does pickle juice make you sprint toward the bathroom faster than an Olympic runner? Let's jump into this pickle juice mystery together. First off, pickles are cucumbers that have been submerged in a solution of salt, vinegar, and occasionally, a variety of spices. This process is known as pickling, and it's not just for giving cucumbers a tangy twist. It also turns those cucumbers into a rich source of probiotics, which are beneficial bacteria that help improve digestion. When you consume pickle juice, these probiotics set up shop in your gut. They kickstart your digestive process, helping to break down food more efficiently. This, in turn, can help speed up the transit of food through your system, leading to more frequent bathroom visits. Secondly, pickle juice is high in dietary fiber, which acts like a broom in your digestive system. It sweeps through, collecting waste and helping to push it out of your body. It's like having a little janitor in your gut, diligently working to keep things moving along smoothly. But wait, there's more. Pickle juice is also high in water content. This is especially important because hydration plays a major role in your digestive health. When your body is properly hydrated, it's easier for your intestines to move waste through your system. So, drinking pickle juice is like giving your intestines a little slip and slide to make the journey to the exit a bit easier. However, as with all good things, moderation is key. While pickles can be a great addition to your diet, going overboard can lead to some less than desirable effects. Overconsumption of pickle juice can lead to bloating, gas, and even stomach cramps due to the high salt content. So, while pickle juice can be a great digestive aid, it's important not to go overboard. To sum up, if you've ever wondered why pickles send you racing to the bathroom, now you know. It's all thanks to the probiotics, fiber, and water content found in these tangy treats. Remember though, while pickles can help keep things moving along, they're not a magic cure-all. So, enjoy your pickle juice, but don't forget to balance it with other healthy foods and plenty of water.